In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can join groups in LinkedIn. By joining groups in LinkedIn, you can get access to a lot of content that are posted by other people similar to you. So, the people who have similar interests, who have a similar profession, you can connect with them through a group. So, to do that, you'll need to search for the group that you want to join, or you can also search for any particular industry that you want to join. For example, I'm going to search for 3D modeling. You can search whatever group or industry that you want to join. After you hit search, on the top you'll see some of the options that you can choose. Here you'll see an option for group. Click on that and it will only show you all the groups that is related to your search. Now you can simply open up the group and click on join. Now as soon as you do that, a join request will be sent and the admin of the group will need to verify you in order to join successfully. So unless the admin of the group accepts you, you will not be able to join or get into the group. Likewise, you can also do the same for any other group. Click on join and the request will be sent. After they accept you in the group, only then you will be able to post in the group. So that was the easy process on how you can join a group in LinkedIn.